Welcome back, dear students, BA6 semester. Today we are going to start up with the paper 3, unit 1, lecture 1. As we have done yet the paper 1 and paper 2 too, but paper 3 is a new thing which will tell you about the various aspects of communicative English. What is exactly the communicative English is? It is something very real language that is used day to day in a very curiosity about how the language functions. What are the functions of various languages? Rich and useful vocabulary, expressive, active, and fun. So it is very important to have the aspect of English in a communicative form. Communicative English learners, so it develops the confidence in their ability to learn. Communicative English learners are something kind which telling you about how you are so able to learn, and you that creates a confidence level in you. So they are active rather than passive, and in their own learning process they are curious about, respective to, and new informations, having fun learning, and are inquisitive. Reasons challenge, they are encourageable, helpful, and cooperative. So here we are only doing a general information about that what is the various aspects of communicative English and what are the teaching texts of it. Means if we turn about that what are the various types of text while writing the communication in English. So what are those things? The types of text depend on their purpose, structure, and language feature. These are the three basic concepts that has to be kept in mind while you are typing a text. That depends on purpose, structure, and language features. A text is a piece of writing that you read or create. We all know that what is a text. It is something, it's a kind of piece of writing. Either we write a text of one line, either we used to write a text to 4 to 5 lines. So it is a piece of writing that you write as well as you create. So the type or characteristics of text are very important for any work of summarizations on it. It is easier to select the main ideas from certain types of text. As the narrative, one text is telling of you the story, then some kind of text will be telling you, they are so expressive that they will be telling you in a very detail. Some of them are very argumentative type of text, then expository text which are speaking about. So the text can be in a very certain types of forms. In this classification, we will be learning about the three main categories of text. The first one is expository text. Second is narrative text, and the argumentative text. Now, as we know that an expository text is intended to identify and characterize the experience. Whatever the experience we are having, whatever the facts, situations, and actions in their abstracts or real element. Expository texts are meant to explain, inform, or describe that they are most frequent used to write a structure. They are very classified in nature. So expository structures can be classified into 5 kind of categories. It can be descriptive, where the author describe a topic character very much in detail. Features, it is very having all kind of features, that is each and every detail should be told, that is only it can be claimed as the expository text. Then it should be attributes, and the given examples are like the procedures or sequence. The author lists different activities in their chronological order or enumerates the items in a numerical order. So here the descriptor, where the author describes the topic, character, feature, attributes, everything is in detail being given. Okay. Then comparison. Now what the comparison is? The author explain how two or more objects, events, experience are like or they are different. Means author is generally used to compare the work between the two, and this is a comparison work. Procedure or sequence, the author lists different activities in their chronological order or enumerate the items in a numerical order, right? Then the fourth point, cause effect explanation, the author presents ideas, events in time, or facts or causes and the resulting effect in time. So the basic thing which is very important is that you have to mention the cause, what are the effects, the explanation. Before giving the explanation there must be a specific reason behind it. So causes are very much important. What effects are there, what are the facts, what are the events in time, so those are necessary. Then problem. Now solution presents, author describes problem and give one or more solution to the problem. So these are the few points which are enlisted in the expository text. While writing the expository text, these are the few descriptive points, 5 categories mentioned: descriptive, procedure or sequence, comparison, cause, problems. So they are very much important while it. Now, in the expository category, the non-fiction texts have a specific role to inform or to teach the readers. They can come in various formats depending on the area of use: business, reports, letters, executive summaries. How, in what kind of the various format, what are the techniques, what are the formats are being, you can write it down. These kind of non-fictional text, they are like, in business we can write it like reports, letters, executive summaries. While in journalism, if we are working as a journalist, so we can write the text like essay, new reports, press release, sports news, and etc. Then, while writing the technical communication, user guides, technical reports, or standards. Then, in the academics and the scientific communication, textbooks, students' guides, scientific reports, scientific journals, articles, encyclopedia articles, all are very much important while writing the academics and the scientific communication. These all are very much mentioned in it. Then journal reference work. Journal reference work means where the encyclopedia kind of articles are there, or one line, multi-domain, information text as a Wikipedia articles. So these all are kind of articles are the example of journal reference work. Now second category, if we are talking about the text type, is the narrative text. Now here, a narrative text entertain, instruct, or inform readers by telling a story. One has to narrate a story to tell a story. Narrative text deals with the imaginary or real world and can be fictional. Fairy tales, like for example, then novels, science fiction, horrors or adventurous stories, myths, legends, fables. And if we're talking about in the non-fictionals, so there are like articles, newspapers, reports, historical writings. They are non-fictional. Then sorry, the third type of text, if we are talking about, so it is the argumentative text. Now here the text, why it is called argumentative? Because the main aim in this is to change the reader's belief. They often contain negative qualities and characteristics of something or someone. So here it is very much important that while writing the text, one has to keep in mind that you have to make sure that you have, while writing the things, you have to be argumentative also, that you are right or this is something which is right. That is wrong. Everything you have to contain. You have to just get out of the negativity qualities. Try to persuade their readers that an object, product, idea in some ways are better than the others. You should know that few texts are purely one type, like expository or argumentative text, can contain the narrations or the evaluations elements. Remember that the text types refers to the meaning of writing and they should not be confused with the writing. When other materials formats like book, articles, letters, reports, essay, these all are the better examples of the material kind of writings. So they are the three main concepts of types of text which are very much important to understand. And we did the various aspects of communicative English. Okay, what kind of communicative English aspects are there? This is a very short kind of format I have told today, which indeed will be only helpful for you people to just get an idea of it, that what it is exactly. As this is a paper 3, I will be explaining you each and everything in detail, because this consists of all the various aspects of literature as well as English. So we will be doing in behalf. Till then, just try to understand the concept of various aspects of English, communicative, and the types of text. Thank you, class.